Poor Henry. He had such big dreams. Dreams of new customers, dreams of growing his business, and dreams of wild success. Sadly, they were only dreams. When the opportunities came, he missed them every single time. Henry wasn't great at responding promptly to new opportunities, and when he did, he'd give customers a verbal or handwritten pricing proposal. Customers tended to think his proposals were sloppy, unprofessional, and that his services would be too. This scenario played again and again every time he would send a proposal. Customers wanted someone that could do the job and look professional while doing it. Henry's competitor, Nicole, started winning customers that used to be his, but Henry just couldn't figure out why. Nicole continued to gain new customers and watch her business grow with the professional and timely proposal she created with Janitorial Manager Mobile Bidding. With Mobile Bidding, Nicole selects a template based on her customer's business segment. While she does her walkthrough, she adjusts the template with her customer's specific information, including cleaning frequencies and tasks. She adds pictures and takes detailed notes on the areas she'll be handling, and when she finishes the walkthrough, all it takes is one click to send a detailed and professional proposal to the prospect. Her prospects get the proposals complete with images of their facilities, as well as details on why Nicole's company is their best option. These proposals always get an excellent response from prospective clients. Prospects see the detailed and professional proposals and quickly come to the conclusion that Nicole's business is the best option to keep their facility clean, safe, and healthy. While Nicole's prices may be higher than Henry's, the clients can see her attention to detail and quick proposal delivery reflect the values of her business. They've just got to choose Nicole for their needs. Try as he might, poor Henry still thinks the lowest price is the answer and keeps lowering his and continues to lose customers to Nicole. The customers see Nicole's fair market value and commitment to excellent service and become long-term partners who rely heavily on her team's performance. If you're ready to be a true cleaning professional, send bids on the go, and see success like Nicole's, it's time to take the next step with Janitorial Manager. Learn more on how the JM mobile bidding tool can help you achieve your growth goals. Visit janitorialmanager.com. Knowledge, control, success. Janitorial Manager.